Every premium woven label begins as digital artwork with precise sizing, colors, logo placement, and sewing margins. The design becomes a digital stitch file, guiding every thread and color inside the automated weaving loom. Prepared yarn enters the loom after warping, while premium materials are selected for each label application. Advanced looms interlace warp and weft threads, transforming digital designs into beautiful woven labels with remarkable precision. Continuous labels are separated using hot, ultrasonic, or cold cutting for perfectly finished edges without fraying. Machines fold every label into center, end, miter, or Manhattan styles for effortless garment attachment later. After strict quality inspection, finished woven labels are packaged and shipped, ready to represent premium fashion brands worldwide.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.